Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Bloom Enchantix in Enchanted Adventure. To start, you must first reach level 300 in the game. Once you achieve this, head to the Magic's realm and find the Bloomix transformation area. There, you will need to complete an initial quest to unlock the next part of your magical journey. This sets the foundation for your powerful transformation. Once you have mastered Bloomix, your next step is to seek out the Enchantix quest giver, who can be found in the Elfia Castle. This quest requires you to gather 25 units of magic dust, scattered across various locations. Additionally, you must bravely venture into the Whispering Woods to defeat 5 formidable dark creatures. These tasks are essential for proving your worthiness. The path to Enchantix continues with 3 challenging riddles from Headmistress Farragonda, testing your wisdom. You also need to accumulate 150 friendship points by interacting positively with other players. Finally, demonstrate your aerial prowess by successfully completing a demanding flying challenge within the treacherous Cloud Tower. Overcoming these trials will bring you closer to your ultimate transformation. Congratulations! With Bloom Enchantix, you unlock an array of powerful new spells and abilities, significantly enhancing your magical capabilities. You will also notice a substantial increase in your flight speed, allowing for quicker travel and exploration. Embrace your enhanced form to discover new areas, conquer tougher challenges, and fully experience the expanded world of Enchanted Adventure. Enjoy your newfound power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.